So here are some simple steps to get your shrubs properly planted. Things like our gardenias, our hydrangeas, our crepe myrtles. First thing I like to do, always give them a drink while they're still in the pot. And after that, I will pop them out. And using a shovel or a hand trowel or even just my fingers in this case, I will break this root ball up. Untangling any roots down there. At that point, I'll move the mulch out of the way and start digging a nice hole. Now, it's extremely important to make sure that your hole is deep enough and wide enough. The worst thing you can do is have the top of your plant sticking too far out of the soil. And as you can see here, nice and flush with the surrounding soil. I will pop it out really quickly, and I'll take some of the time-release fertilizer and sprinkle it here in the bottom. Then I'll take my shrub, and I'll gently place it into that hole, just nestling it down. Now, as you can see, my soil is nice and rich. If your soil is not rich, this is when a good opportunity to use some high quality natural and organic potting mix to backfill into your hole. If your soil is nice and rich like mine, you can just use that soil that you took out and fill it right back in. Once you have it into the ground, we'll give it some more water. And then it's always a good idea to use some sort of bark mulch around the base of your plant. Particularly in its first season, it's essential that we keep our new shrubs nice and hydrated. If they go too dry for too long while they're just getting established, that will often lead to a premature death. It's really that simple to get them planted properly, but like I mentioned, it's so important to make sure that they're getting enough hydration during that first season, particularly while they're still establishing their roots. So you're gonna wanna keep an eye on it, especially in the really hot part of the summertime. You may even need to be watering it almost every single day. But with a little bit of extra care that first season, our lovely flowering shrubs will continue to grace our garden with lots of beauty for many years to come. It's absolutely worth that little extra effort.